That's what I found. It was flashing 24, I think it was, but all the insulation, I don't know, it looks like someone had stripped. They had a problem before and they stripped the wires back, so I'm going to clean that up. But I already did kind of a visual. Looks pretty crappy. Looks like someone hit it with a weed whip. Well, let me get you in a tripod here and we'll test it. Got the power off to the furnace. Got some extra wire. I think we can make it happen. So when he said when he turned on the AC, popped the fuse. So I'm going to make this connection. Let's see what kind of ohm connection or ohm rating I have here. My contactor, 17 ohms, that's good. I think we just had the weed whip problem. Let me grab some wire nuts. Okay, let's get these put together. This line wasn't strapped up. little protection, but not much. Better than nothing. I'm not running a whole new line. Alright, let me go repair those ones on the inside. We'll try to start this thing up. I think I'm missing all kinds of screws. Alright, fix the wires inside. Got the thermostat turned down, contactors pulled in. And there we go. Oh, she's way overcharged. I don't know, it got cold quick. So, I'm going to get the gauges on it, get it back together, and I think that's going to be it for this one. Just an old ream, rude ream. Coil's kind of compacted, but I'm not out here for that. Okay, well, that was a kind of quick, easy fix. Just did a visual on it, and that's what I found. So sometimes, you know, people come by with the weed whips and just whip her right on up. But it's a quick, easy one. Just a fuse and a few wire nuts, and we're good to go. So that's it for this one. This is a quick, easy, short line. And you know what you got to do, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.